So we have the new Joy-Cons. These are the new white ones. How could you hate the white OLEDs? They're really, really nice, really slick. Do you guys see any differences? I don't see any differences really. Click that in like that. That feels really nice. That is the OLED model. Look at that bad boy. It looks so nice and slick. I really like this robot white sort of color with the black. And the other things that come in the box is this sort of thing here that has some instructions with the Nintendo Switch and the Nintendo Switch Lite, some important information that people need. What we have here is what I see as a HDMI adapter or a power. No, it's the HDMI outlet. So that is our cable. It's a nice sort of meter long cable, and that will just attach to the docking station. You can't actually manually attach a HDMI cable to the OLED switch. We have the power connector.